So we're sitting in some Adirondack chairs. There's a company called CR Plastics that's just out of Stratford, Ontario, and one that's been on Dragon's Den. And we picked the line up about 6 years ago. Great company. They think a lot about the recycling aspects, so they're 100% recycled. A lot heavier than what you're going to see at your Costco and other places, because they've got a lot more bracing in terms of support, so it won't come apart over time. And they use a thicker resin than a standard one, and the angles on that really contour your body, so when you're sitting in it, you don't feel like you're a little kid in your dad's chair. It's right where you want them in terms of the arms and everything. You have a choice of your colors and selection of kind of what you want, whether you want a rocker or a swivel or a standard Adirondack chair, and even little kids' chairs and lots of accessories that go along with that.